who that can come out down there.
UK Commercial handles some of Newcastle's toughest crime scenes.
Been stabbing it now, haven't I?
Run by Tony Earnshaw.
If there's any problems at all, ask myself or one of the managers on site.
Quite a lot of blood.
We get called at all types of crime scenes, whether it be a sudden death, a murder, a stabbing, an assault.
It's obviously just been dripping on you when he's come up running up.
It can be quite gory at times, it can be quite challenging and it can be dangerous.
It's crazy what people do, isn't it?
Today, Tony and his specialist team of crime scene cleaners are tackling a high-risk job.
We received a call about a tenant who has been evicted from a property. There's been a lot of drug usage, arson, there's a lot of needles in there in various places. We have to go and make that place safe.
Drug dens are packed with danger. Toxic chemicals, discarded needles, and unsanitary conditions demand extreme caution and expertise.
We try to use technology to mitigate any of the risks, so I'm going to head down and carry out a drone survey. Once I've set the drone up and got it flying, I can then proceed to go inside the property, going through various rooms and looking for the dangers which could present.
We would use these drones on occasions where we know there could be a higher risk of hazards, so needle sweeps. There we go, we can see the syringe on the top of the door.
The drone has located a precariously balanced syringe, intended to fall when the door opens.
For somebody to purposely booby-trap the property, I was quite shocked and quite upset really, because this tenant posed a risk to our staff.
Booby traps in drug dens, often used syringes, are designed to injure or infect, posing serious risk to